Careful with the sharp metal on your left.
Okay.
Okay, I see it. Get this plastic out of the way.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside a modern toilet paper factory to discover how dirty trash is transformed into clean tissue rolls.
Careful with the sharp metal on your left.
Okay.
Okay, I see it. Get this plastic out of the way.
Each bale contains thousands of compressed sheets collected from many different sources. Their transformation is only beginning. Even distribution allows the next machines to work more efficiently. Consistency becomes increasingly important from this point forward. Not every sheet can become high-quality tissue. Careful selection improves the final product long before manufacturing begins. Air separation removes lightweight contamination that mechanical sorting cannot catch. Cleaner fibers produce better results later. Samples confirm whether the recycled material meets production standards. Small adjustments prevent larger problems later. The prepared material is temporarily stored before entering the next stage. Every movement is carefully scheduled. The recycled paper is finally ready for its first major transformation. But before soft tissue can exist, the recycled paper is finally ready for its first major transformation. But before soft tissue can exist,
Flow rate stabilizing now. Good, the consistency looks perfect for the next stage.
once the fibers are suspended evenly, the pulp moves forward. Continuous flow keeps production efficient. Coarse screening removes material that escaped earlier sorting. Only usable fibers continue through the process. Each screening stage improves fiber purity. Cleaner pulp leads to smoother finished tissue. Density differences make this separation possible. Heavy impurities are removed without wasting valuable fibers. The automated valves shifted on schedule. Good. Let's monitor the flow rate for the next cycle. Fine screening removes the smallest unwanted particles. The fibers become increasingly uniform. Frequent testing ensures every batch remains consistent. Quality is monitored throughout the entire process. Even clean-looking paper still contains printing ink. Air bubbles help separate it from the fibers. The unwanted foam carries away ink and impurities. The remaining pulp becomes noticeably cleaner. Gentle washing removes dissolved residues left behind after deinking. Fiber quality continues to improve. The recovered fibers are now clean enough for mechanical refinement. Their structure will soon be carefully improved. Refining changes the surface of each fiber. This improves bonding during paper formation.
The viscosity levels are optimal. Yes, the blend is holding steady. we can increase the input slightly.
The head box distributes the fibers evenly. Uniform formation begins here. Water leaves the sheet while fibers remain together. A fragile paper web begins to appear. Controlled dewatering strengthens the forming sheet. Precision prevents tearing during production.
The tissue now reaches one of the largest machines in the factory. Heat begins removing the remaining moisture.
Gentle heat dries the fibers without damaging them. Moisture content is carefully controlled. This delicate scraping process creates softness and flexibility. The tissue begins to develop its final feel. Warm air completes the drying process. Balanced conditions protect fiber quality. Even at high speed, the sheet must remain perfectly centered. Small adjustments prevent defects later. The finished tissue is collected into giant parent rolls. Each roll contains several kilometers of paper.
The paper sheet has now been successfully created. Next, it will be shaped, embossed, and converted into the familiar toilet paper rolls found in homes around the world.
The giant parent roll now enters the converting department. Precision becomes more important than speed alone.
The tissue must remain perfectly centered. Even tiny deviations can affect the finished rolls. Embossing improves softness and appearance. The pattern also helps strengthen the finished tissue. Every embossed detail must remain consistent. Uniform texture improves both comfort and performance.
Multiple layers are combined into a single sheet. Accurate bonding creates strength without adding thickness.
Only a very small amount of adhesive is required. Accurate application preserves the tissue's softness.
The bonded layers are stabilized before cutting begins. Smooth movement prevents defects later.
Perforation allows each sheet to separate cleanly. Every cut must remain perfectly uniform. Electronic monitoring confirms every perforation. Continuous inspection maintains production accuracy. Each roll must reach the exact specified size. Controlled tension keeps every layer even. Once the correct length is reached, the roll is separated automatically. Continuous production keeps the line moving efficiently. Large tissue logs are divided into individual rolls. Precision cutting creates identical dimensions. Freshly cut rolls undergo another inspection. Small imperfections are identified before packaging.
Calibration complete on line 3. Readings look stable. Proceed with the run.
The tissue has been packaged, but production is not yet complete. Every package must pass a final series of inspections.
Automated vision systems inspect each package within seconds. Even minor defects are detected immediately.
Products that do not meet specifications are removed automatically. Only approved packages continue forward.
Clean separation is an important quality feature. Each perforation must perform consistently.
Here's the break. Maximum load capacity was slightly lower than expected. Noted, the fibers show clear signs of shearing.
Softness is measured using specialized instruments. Consistency is just as important as comfort.
Absorbency reflects the structure of the paper fibers. Balanced performance requires careful manufacturing.
Uniform appearance is another sign of controlled production. Color variations are carefully monitored.
Accurate weight confirms the correct number of sheets. Every package must meet the same standard. Packaging must protect the product throughout delivery. Strong seals help prevent damage. After passing inspection, the products move toward final packing. The manufacturing process is almost complete. The finished cartons are secured for transportation. Every pallet is prepared to travel safely. Quality inspection is now complete. The final chapter follows these products as they leave the factory, ready for homes and businesses around the world.
Every pallet is identified before shipment. Accurate inventory helps maintain continuous supply.
Automation continues even after manufacturing ends. Efficient handling reduces unnecessary movement.
Final verification confirms that every shipment is ready. Small inspections protect product quality during transport. Protective wrapping keeps each shipment stable. The pallets are prepared for long-distance transportation. Additional protection prevents damage during handling. Careful preparation continues until the final shipment. Finished products begin leaving the warehouse. Every shipment follows a carefully planned schedule.
Bay 4 is open now. Send the next EcoCycle load in.
Copy that. Moving in.
The journey continues beyond the factory gates. Efficient logistics connect manufacturing with everyday life.
Each shipment is directed toward its final destination. Modern logistics relies on remarkable precision.
The finished product finally reaches store shelves. What began as discarded paper has become an everyday necessity.
Every manufacturing stage contributed to this final result. Precision and quality are visible in every sheet.
From discarded trash to soft toilet paper, every step depends on engineering, precision, and careful quality control.